everyone and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you a feature about Canva that you might have not heard of, and that is the Canva courses. It's something that you don't see on their default menu and something a lot of people are still unaware of, but it can. These courses can be a great way for you to categorize information, take your video courses and build something different out of them, as well as make sure to restructure and organize information that you have. Not only that, but these courses can help you in team building as well. You can make a course for teams, you can build a course to actually earn money as well. Now let's get started. To get started, simply log on to your Canva account, and once you have logged on, you are in your home page on Canva. Click on the More button. So I've already logged in, and now I'm going to click on the More button over here, and then I click on, you can see courses. Click on courses. So when I clicked on the More, which was found in the popular, when I clicked on the More button, notice it opened up the popular tab. Another popular tab, I clicked on courses. But if you can't find it, you can just search for course. You can just search for it. So let's go back. Let me show you how else you can do it. So you can just search for it instead. Here, and just tap courses. In case you can't find it there, and then you choose it. So you can see Canva courses. These are the templates actually for courses. These are templates for courses. But we're trying to actually create a course. So let's go back home. So we click on More. Then this is actually where you find it. In case you don't see the course right here. In case you don't see this here, over here you click on the type course. And it will come out. So you can see we have some already. But this one mostly logos. So let's go back. It's trying to create a design instead. So we have different popular ones here. But what we need is course. So let's go back and then choose on course. Once we choose on course now, you can add a new one here. So you can assign course. You can tap on More. Turn it into a folder, remove, make a copy, make a banner, move to a folder, delete folder. You can report. So add an activity that assigned to us to see reporting on course progress or completion. So you can also change on the course here. Let's say my course is on, let's say, what course should we do? How about freelance? How to be a freelance auditor. Let's say freelance editing. And then we go to the course. If we name that folder, so go to the course, add the description so people understand what it's about. Now the way you can do it, instead of typing all this, you can just simply use Gemini. So I'm not going to use Gemini right now. Write a 1,000 words. Description of course on freelance editing. So let's see. So you can see. Just go here, copy it. Control C. Then we go back to our Canva and we paste it there. That's it. Now this is more than 1,000 words, so that's why we have a bit of it's not complete. So you can just decide to maximize the space. As you can see, So, or we can just simply clear it, then read it again. Before this, let's go back to the and let's choose just the beginning. Let's just put this as our introduction. Who is this? Okay, so now we're going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then go back and paste it in our course as our description. Simple. Then we move on, we save it. The next thing you can see is here. Next thing we're going to do is the title. So we have title, we have activity experience, and we have access. Okay, so let's add an activity. You can create a new activity or choose a design, upload, and report from an app. You can see. Okay, so let's go copy our activity. Go back to Gemini. The first activity we have. Foundation of editing. Copy it, take it back. So you're basically creating a course. That's what it's actually about. Just create a course. So you can put a picture you want there. Let's say I want to use the logo instead. You can just choose it and just pick it. It's okay. It's okay for me. So let's go back. And go back. Without anything. So you can add more pages if you want. You can add notes under it. These are the notes. Control V, does that. And I'll move to the next one. Okay, page title is actually this one, the foundation of editing. That's it. You can add more. As you can see, you have about 5,000. So you can add more. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, we can leave it. So, but let's see what it looks like. As a student, you are doing this course as a line now. As you can see, it's written here. Then let's go back to editing. So you go back. So you can set your own activity exploration assets. You can add your resource. So this means that you add a resource. This means that the team members can access the design, but they won't get their own copy. Use the templates means team members can complete their own copy of the activity and share it back with you. So you decide how you want it to be. So actually, let's move on to the next one. Actually, you can add the next activity. You create new import from app. That's how you do it. Then yes, you want to add more. You want. Now this is where assets is. Let's see. Tap on the 3 lines, 3 dots there. And you can download, copy link, pin to the course, add tag, select item, structure, remove from course, and title design. You can title it, which is model. Okay. Then save. Let's see. Okay, let's title it here. No one click on it, want to title it. So let's title it here by clicking on it. So model. I keep opening here since it just wants us to just move on. So you do it for as many as you want. So you can turn it into a folder, rename, make a copy, but I'm also folder, delete it, and assign courses. Let's see. Oh, sorry, this is the settings option. Go back and create a design. This for changing scene, I don't know how to change the scene. Go back to our file, to our home. For whatever reason, it's not going to close. Okay, here you can see it's titled model 1 now. So you can also share it. Okay, you can share your design. You can say it, okay, copy link, public view link. You can add a public view link to it. So that's basically what the course is for. So have fun with it. If you find this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.